BusyBee.
Hello, little friend. Today, we will meet some Arctic animals. They live where it's snowy, cold, and bright. This is a penguin. Penguin walks and slides on the ice. Can you say penguin? Penguin. This is a polar bear. Polar bears are big and white. They love the cold snow. Can you say bear? Bear. Here's a seal. Seal swims in the icy water. Flap, 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 seal. This is a walrus. Walrus has long tusks and whiskers. Can you say walrus? Walrus. And this is a snowy owl. Snowy owl flies in the cold night. Can you say owl? Owl. Penguin. Bear. Seal. Walrus. And owl. All friends together in the snowy Arctic. You did it! Great job, little friend. See you next time.
BusyBee.